The law of growth, unlocking your true potential. Have you ever wondered why some people seem destined for success while others struggle? Why some are drawn to a passion so naturally, while others feel lost in uncertainty? Is it fate? Is it talent? Or is it something much deeper, a hidden code within us, guiding us toward our life's purpose? The inner calling, your life's blueprint. From a young age, each of us feels a pull towards certain activities. A child may instinctively be drawn to music, art, leadership, or business. This is not random. This is the law of life's purpose, an invisible force shaping our journey. Our bodies, our environment, and even our struggles are designed to lead us toward our soul's mission. But here's the challenge. Sometimes this inner calling is drowned out by external expectation. A father who insists his son follow in his footsteps. A society that pushes us toward security over passion. A fear that tells us, what if I fail? Yet, if the desire is truly ours, it won't go away. It will keep knocking, keep whispering until we listen. The power of passion and persistence. Success is not just about skill, it's about energy. It's about faith, love, and the passion we put into our craft. Imagine picking up a tennis racket for the first time. At first, the ball barely makes it over the net. Frustration kicks in. The thought of quitting arises. But the difference between those who succeed and those who don't, it's not talent. It's the belief that I will get better. When we approach life with excitement and trust, we create a high vibration energy that attracts success. When we approach it with doubt, stress, and struggle, we reinforce low vibration energy, making failure more likely. Your success is not just about what you do, it's about how you feel while doing it. The illusion of external success. Many chase material success, thinking it will bring fulfillment. A bigger house, a fancier car, social recognition. But what happens when success is only external? It creates expectations, pressure, and a fear of losing it all. True success comes from within. If our heart is not in alignment with our work, no amount of money will ever be enough. This is why some of the wealthiest people feel alone, and why some who have nothing feel at peace. It is not about what you have. It is about what energy you bring into your life. The journey versus the destination. So how do we know if we're truly on the right path? Simple. Ask yourself, am I still excited about this goal, or has it become an obligation? Do I feel passion, or just pressure? Am I adjusting my path with joy or forcing a result just because I once said I would? It's okay to change direction. True wisdom is knowing when to persevere and when to let go. Because success is not about stubbornly sticking to a plan. It's about constantly checking in with your heart and making sure it's still guiding the way. The ultimate secret to growth. If you take one thing from this, let it be this. Follow what lights up your soul. Success is an inside job. Your vibration creates your reality. So, the question is, are you listening to your heart? Or are you letting the world decide for you?